Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. And today we've got EDU. Just a minute. Oh, I did that. EDU. So this is the interesting thing. Now, yesterday, JP Morgan came out with a $24 price target on EDU. They were all over it. And basically, I think from when they made that announcement, or put that in the PR. I think that was going to be about a 50% run on it. Now, yesterday, of course, the market was really bad. I mean, really bad. So even EDU could not really, but actually, before I say that, yeah, EDU could not really sustain that pre-market pop based on that JP Morgan price target. However, look what happened today. And it's not like the market is great. I mean, the Dow's down, NASDAQ's up, SPY's down. The market is not great. In fact, the market is a real chop fest. Look at this. I mean, this is the pre-market right there. And then, there's our first candle, 15-minute candle, red. Next one is green. Next one's red. And then we've just been kind of chopping around. I found it very difficult to trade today, to be honest. But the EDU, when you look at it, it didn't really care what the market was doing. Just one moment, please. All right, sorry about that. So when you look at EDU, though, what makes this trade great is that it didn't follow the market. I mean, it had the pop, and when I showed you the SPY, what the SPY was doing, look what the SPY is doing, chopping, chopping, chopping all around, and yet EDU is dancing to its own beat, and that's what we love to find. The alpha stocks, they basically are trading on their own, almost like it's their own little world, and that is exactly what EDU was today. And I'm actually thinking that if it takes out 21 later on, it's having a little bit of a pullback now. If it takes out 21 later on, I mean, it may keep running. But, certainly it gave us, I mean, this was just a great move. And it's very, very simple, too. I mean, just the basic new highs that I've got. 1922. And you might say, well, why didn't I get it here? Well, I had a filter that would block it from showing it here. I could relax that, and I would have seen it earlier. But I'll take a run from 1922 up to 21. I think that's not bad. Yes, maybe I missed this early move, but I had a filter that was blocking it from my seeing it immediately. We get the question all the time, well, Barry, why would you do that? Why wouldn't you just sort of relax the filter so you would see EDU earlier? I could do that, but I may see a lot of other stocks that I don't want to see that don't do what EDU did. So there's always a bit of a trade-off, okay? Let me just back this off. All right, so I want to get back into the trading room. I'm going to close this down. If you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. The room will open tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Hope to see you then. And it's a free room, so no excuse for not coming in. As I say, the room will be open at 8 o'clock Eastern Time tomorrow. Bye-bye.